This tutorial will show you the basics of using Moon Animator 2. It should help begin your journey of making cool creations with the plugin. First, make sure you have and are logged into Roblox Studio. To install Moon Animator, go to the Plugins page and click Install. This should launch Studio with Moon Animator installed. Open a new baseplate place and go to the Plugins tab. Moon Animator should be here. Using Character Inserter, add an R6 rig to the place. Open Moon Animator and make a new file. Click the plus button to open the Add Item window. Select the rig and add it to the file. The rig can now be animated. Clicking on a part will select the corresponding keyframe track. Transforming a part will automatically add a keyframe to the track at the current playhead frame. Create your animation by moving the playhead, transforming parts, and manipulating keyframes. Press space to play the animation. Press R to switch between rotation and position. Press B to toggle an onion skin of the rig. Press G to reset a part's transform. Press 7 to edit selected keyframes. With the Edit Keyframe window, you can apply easing styles. Press space to preview an easing style. Press A to edit file settings, such as timeline length and animation loop. Use scroll wheel to zoom in and out of the timeline and middle click to pan the timeline. More essential keybinds are listed in the Quick Info window. Animating in any medium takes a lot of knowledge and practice to get right, and I don't have any of that. Thankfully, Nymphe has volunteered to spend a few minutes to animate for this tutorial. Oh, that's much better. Moon Animator can animate a lot more than just a single rig. Add another R6 rig to the place. Press Ctrl 1, 2, 3, or 4 to activate Studio's transformation tools. Use the Select tool to position the rig into place. You can attach a prop to the rig's arm using Easy Weld. Select the prop, then click Clean in the Cleaner tab. Next, go to the Parts tab. Select the right arm of the rig, then select the handle of the prop, in that order. Click Join to make an animatable joint. Drag the prop into the rig, then add the rig to the file. It can be animated alongside the first one. Right-click in the Game Editor window to insert a part, then add the part to the file. Check the C-frame, color, and size properties. Select the color keyframe track, then press plus to add a keyframe. Press 7 to edit the keyframe's value. In my case, I'll change the part color to red. Move the playhead, add another keyframe, and edit it. The color of the part is now animated. The C-frame property relates to the position and rotation of the part. Use Studio's transformation tools to position, rotate, and scale the part. Add keyframes in the C-frame and size tracks, and repeat. I'll go ahead and add easing to these keyframes. Add the camera to the file using the Add Camera action. Move the playhead to frame 0 and select the field of view track. Press plus to add a keyframe. Press 7 to edit the keyframe's value. You can use scroll wheel to adjust the value. Go ahead and set the field of view to 35. A low field of view creates a cinematic look. To animate the camera, move the playhead and position the shot, then select the track for the camera's C-frame. Press plus to add a keyframe and repeat. Press Ctrl H to hide or show Moon Animator. Press Ctrl Space to disable or enable the camera tracks. To upload an animation in a rig to Roblox, use the Export All action. The exported keyframe sequences will be in server storage. Right-click one to upload and click Save to Roblox. To import an animation to a rig, click the Import to Rig button next to the rig label. By default, animations are uploaded with keyframe groups. You can ungroup using the Ungroup Keyframes action. A marker track can be used to add animation markers or rename exported frames in the sequence. Markers are added and edited just like keyframes. You now have the basics of using Moon Animator 2. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.